In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Apple ID password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, head over to settings. Then at the very top at your name. Then select password and security. And then at the very top, you can easily find change password feature. You can just stop where it says change password. Then it will prompt you to enter your device's passcode. And after that, you will be able to set new password for your Apple ID. Just keep in mind that your password must be at least 8 characters long, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. So, just enter your new password in the first text field. Then re-enter it in the second one. And then hit change, that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video. And see you in the next one.